In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find my Shopify store URL, Shopify tutorial. By the end, you'll know exactly where to grab the link you can share with customers, as well as your built-in Shopify address you might need for apps and support. First, go to your Shopify account. Open your Shopify admin in a browser and make sure you're signed in so you can see your dashboard. From here, look to the left sidebar and click Online Store. This takes you to the area where your storefront and themes live. On this page, you'll see a highlighted control or link that opens your storefront. Click that highlighted option to view your store in a new tab. The address that loads is your public store URL. If your store is protected by a password, you'll still land on the correct address, but visitors will see the password page until you remove it. You can copy this URL from the browser bar and use it anywhere you need to share your store. Next, let's confirm the official Shopify domain tied to your account. Back in the admin, scroll to the bottom left and click Settings. In Settings, locate the section that shows your store's domain information. You'll see your default Shopify address in the format yourstorename.myshopify.com. Click that link to view more details. This is the permanent Shopify domain associated with your store, and it always works behind the scenes, even if you connect a custom domain later. It's also useful for app connections and troubleshooting. Now, on the Domains page, look for the option labeled Classic Store or a similar link that takes you to your domain management view. Click it to see your full list of domains. Here, you'll find your primary domain, which is the one customers see by default, and your Shopify subdomain. If you've connected a custom domain like yourbrand.com and set it as primary, that's the link you'll typically share. If not, your yourstorename.myshopify.com address will serve as your store URL until you add a custom domain. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Copy the exact URL you intend to share and test it in a private browser window to confirm it loads correctly. If you change your primary domain later, remember to update links in your social profiles, emails, and ads to keep everything consistent. That's it. You've opened your storefront, found your public link, and verified your Shopify subdomain inside Settings and the Classic Store view. You now know precisely where your store URL lives